Yeah, it just melted all the way. It's pretty bad. Good trouble, dude. So we'll check the gap on these because I bet you need gapping. Yeah, so what did that give us? Pretty good. Looks like we're, let's see, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Looks like 110. See if I can get this off without. I don't think you guys see this. Yeah, we're about 110. Let's see if I can get it out. So yeah, about 110. Alright, let's see what number 2 is. And I'm just because this is an old engine, I really am gonna put some more oil in it. I think we shut this off now. So we're at 110. Let's see. Alright, we got that set up. While I'm doing this, I'm going to see if I can't look at this and see if I got spark. And I wouldn't have spark because I don't have the key on to the engine. So this one's a little better. We're at about 120, about 120, 121. So you can see that there. So we're 120, 121. So that's pretty good. The next thing to do is turn the key on and see if I get good spark. Or I go ahead and I want to look up a couple of things. Like for one, I want to look up and see what our spark plug gap. I think it should be. I think for JC4 or J4Cs was 30 thousandths. So 0.030. This is going to be our spark plug gap, and let's just check that, make sure that he's good there. Well, I think I got this one figured out. I haven't fired it up yet, but the carburetor was not opening up at the wide open throttle. So, you know, of course, yeah, of course it wouldn't have any power if that was the case. I was looking to see this thing had a number anywhere. How about if I do it? Oh, here we go. Maybe. Serial number. Yeah, it's pretty much rubbed off, I believe. Let's see if I can see it, but I doubt it. No, 191 298. Let's see what it gives us. Probably the best way to get the gap is from Max Rules. So they got a chart, and it goes by horse stroke, 2-stroke, and they also go by year. So let's see if we can find 35. Okay, 1957 and 1959, J6C, and .030. So we're right. So they did set the gap right. So we could just put these back in. I should like disconnect the spark plug. I got that back together now. I need to make a repair before I try to start this. Somebody, obviously had this in a wire nut or wig nut, so I'm gonna fix that.